Okay, let's have a look at question 1. We're given an identity. We've got a triple line symbol here, which sort of indicates that we should try to keep the left-hand side and the right-hand side separate. Don't start moving things across. The first thing I noticed that will help a lot is we've got a common x all the way through the expression. We've got an x multiplying all of the left-hand side here, and we've got an x, and we've got an x cubed. So I can cancel an x throughout the entire expression. That simplifies things quite a bit. We're going to have to multiply this bracket out, and we'll do that in the usual way. So keeping the left and the right separate, let's process the left by multiplying it all out. We get a squared. Two terms on the right-hand side here will be negative. Got a b squared and I've got an x squared. So this is negative b squared x squared. Now hopefully you can see that I get an abx from this pair, but I get a negative abx from the other pair. So they will cancel each other out. So I can continue on with the right-hand side. We've got 25 here, negative 4x squared here. So these two terms here will equal each other, and these two terms here will also equal each other. Okay, processing that. So therefore I can say that a squared is equal to 25. I'm going to lose both the negatives, so I can say that b squared x squared must be equal to 4x squared. Both the x squared terms will disappear and cancel each other out, so I've got two expressions in a and b. A is equal to the square root of 25 is 5, but remember this could be plus or minus 5. And b also over here, the square root of 4 is 2, but b could be negative 2 as well, so this is also plus or minus. We were asked to find negative b to the power of negative a. So the b in front of this can be either 2 or negative 2. And equally, the negative a can also be positive 5 or negative 5. So I'm going to have 4 options. So I've got 2 to the 5, or 2 to the negative 5, or negative 2 to the 5, or negative 2 to the negative 5. Now that's probably a perfectly good answer. They might want these sorted out numerically. 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the negative 5, this will be 1 over 32. And these will be the negative equivalents. That'll be negative 32, and this will be negative 1 over 32. So there's a set of 4 alternative answers.